Hello guys, welcome back to Mufasuket with AutoCAD 3D Modeling Practical Exercise number 26. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel here, it will be helpful for us to growing up. In this tutorial, I will create a final cheat sheet. You can see the image here, and you can get this reference image from our site mufasuket.com. Okay, we start now. Open your AutoCAD software, and I will use top view. We create a rectangle. Start from this point with dimension for length about 85 and width about 85. Okay, click at this point. Use orbit command to rotate the drawing, and I will extrude this rectangle object to the bottom here about 5 point and enter. Okay, change into top view. I will use array command to copy this rectangle object. Okay, choose rectangular, change column here to 8 and distance between object about 86. I will change rows here about X and change distance between object about 86, and then we close array command. Next, use explode command. I will explode this object, enter, change into X-ray view, and I will union. You can select this object. Okay, select this all object one by one. We combine this all object by using union command and enter to union. Select this object, right click, isolate and hide object. We union again, enter. You can select this all object and enter to union. Okay, right click, isolate and object isolation. I will change into to the wireframe and use orbit command to rotate the drawing. We create a rectangle, start from this point into this point. Okay, and then I will use offset command with distance about 50. Select this rectangle object, click at outset here and enter to finish. Use extrude command. I will extrude this object to the top about 10 and extrude this rectangle object to the top here. Use subtract command. We subtract this object with this object and enter. Okay, I will rotate this object and extrude this face to the bottom about 10 and enter. Use union command to combine these two objects and enter. Okay, I will change into top view and I will use slash command. We slash this object from this middle point to the right here and enter, and you can see we have two objects here. I will create a rectangle, start from this point with distance about 50 for length, okay, and 50 for width. Click at this point, use orbit command. We extrude this rectangle object to the bottom here about 50. Move this object from this point into this point. Okay, I will copy this object from this point into this point, and then I will copy again this object and this object from this point into this point. Okay, change into realistic view to view the object. Okay, we create this cheat board, and then I will attach or insert cheat object from a previous tutorial. You can type insert, enter, browser files. I will use this queen here. Okay, open. Okay, and insert in here. Click this object, explode. Okay, and I will select this object, delete. Okay, I will select this object and delete. Okay, use insert comment again. I will insert another cheat object. Okay, I will insert bishop, open. Okay, I will insert at this point and select this object, explode, and select this object, delete. We'll select here, delete. Okay, and then I will delete this object. We insert again another cheat object. I will insert this rock, open. Okay, and insert in here, explode this object, and then you can delete this object. Okay, next we insert again another cheat objects about this king. Okay, I will see this king here. Okay, here this king final, open. Okay, and I will insert this chess king. You can explode this object and then select this object, delete. Next I will attach a knight, can insert, and browser I will select a knight object. Okay, here connect, open. Okay, and I will insert in here, explode again this object, enter, and then select this object, delete. The last is we insert a pawn. You can browser, and I will insert a pawn object, here pawn, open. Okay, and I will insert in here, explode this object, and delete this object. Okay, I will change into set with edge here, and I will move this object pawn. You can tap M to move to this point. Okay, I will move this rock to here. We move this bishop to here, and then I will move this queen to this point. Okay, I will rotate this knight from this point to here, and move this knight to here. Move again this kings to this point. Okay, I will select this unused object, delete, and change into top view. We move this queen to this point. Okay, I will copy this pawn to here. 7 object pawn we copy to the left. Okay, and then I will copy rock to here. We copy knight to here, and then we copy bishop to here. Okay, you can select this object, one by one. I will copy this object by using mirror command. Okay, you can tap mirror, enter, select at this point. Okay, can copy to the right here and click here, enter to finish. Okay, we create this object. Now I will change into realistic view to view the object, and we will apply material into this all object. You can tap Rmat to open material browser. I will delete unused material. You can click here, delete. Okay, click here, delete. We click here, delete one by one. This unused material. Okay, delete and delete. Okay, I will select this object, right click and assign to selection. Okay, I will select this all object one by one. Okay, can select this object one by one, and I will give this material, right click and assign to selection. I will select at this object. Okay, and right click in this material, assign to selection. We select this object, right click in this material and assign to selection. Okay, now I will click this object. We select this all object and assign this material to selection. Now I will change this material. Okay, you can select this material one by one. Okay, we'll select this pound and assign this material. Next, use mapping tools. I will mapping this object. You can click here, change into box mapping. Okay, right click and rotate. I will rotate in a blue axis to this point. Okay, right click, move and enter to close. We mapping again this object. Right click, rotate, click here and mapping to this point. Okay, enter to finish. Now I will change this scale texture into 300. Close and change this scale texture into 300. Okay, you can click here and change to 300 and then close. Okay, next I will change into top view, and then I will create a camera. Start from this point to this point with lens about 60. Enter to finish, and then I will select camera one view. Okay, I will rotate to get the best view for rendering. Okay, and then I will active full shadow, and then active high render, active environment, this background into solid and white. Okay, and close. I will save this view. You can tap view, enter, create a new here, and change name about final view. Okay, and okay. I will change into top view and change into 2D wireframe. We create a plane sweep. Start from this point to here and change into front view. I will move this plane sweep object to the bottom here. Okay, And then I will change into final view again. Next, we will try to render this object. You can click here and click here to render. Waiting for interlaging, and so we waiting for a rendering process until finish. It's about 10 level. Okay, we finished the rendering process, and I think it's enough today for AutoCAD 3D modeling practice exercise number 26. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in AutoCAD 3D modeling practice exercise number 27.